Welcome, fam. You're not in pain, but something feels off. Maybe it's the stiffness from yesterday, or just the weight of being in your head. Let's change that. Let's reset the body from the base up through movement, breath, and release. Let's hit the mat. Your body wakes up through rhythm, not pressure. This flowing stretch reconnects your breath, spine, and nervous system. Move slowly between downward dog and cobra. Feel the wave travel from your hips to chest, then back again. Keep your breath steady and intentional. You're gonna feel a full body stretch from calves to chest, a release in the spine and shoulders, a shift from tension to flow. This resets your body's default setting from stiffness to strength. I promise it's more energizing than coffee. The faster your day moves, the slower your body needs to start. Breathe into that contrast. Can you hold your cobra for 5 deep seconds and open the heart 1 inch more? Are you letting the breath lead or trying to rush the movement? That just unlocked your chain. Now let's break open the hips. Your right hip tells the truth about your posture, your stress, and your sleep. From a low lunge, plant your left hand, twist open to the right, and lift your chest. You're going to feel a deep stretch through the hip flexor, spinal rotation, and ribcage expansion. This opens the door to posture. I promise your stride and spine will feel freer after this. The left side won't feel the same. That's exactly why we balance. Sink the hips an inch deeper without collapsing the spine. Is your breath driving the twist or resisting the release? That just opened your right side. Now let's see what your left has been holding. Balance doesn't just come from symmetry. It comes from awareness, and this side holds something different. Step your left foot forward, twist to the left, and reach high. You're gonna feel a deeper hip release, a gentle opening across the spine and chest. This levels out your hips, relieves pressure on the spine, and creates more balance for your day. I promise you'll stand tall after this. Tight hips can reduce your lung capacity. This is how we get it back. Open your chest 5% more than you did on the right. Are you lifting from the heart or forcing with the arm? That just balance your stride. Now let's drop deeper into the seat of the hips. The hips hold tension like a vault. This is the key. On your back, cross your right ankle over your left thigh. Gently pull the left thigh towards you. Switch sides after 30 seconds. You can feel a deep glute and outer hip release, a gentle decompression in the lower back. This frees up the hips from hours of sitting or poor posture. I promise you'll feel lighter in your steps by the end. You've released tension. Now we'll rise into rhythm and full body reset. Pull the stretch 5% deeper without holding your breath. Are your shoulders relaxing or are you gripping somewhere else? That just cleared the hip capsule. Let's flow into the final lengthening. We're gonna stay here just for 15 seconds. Sit tall, inhale through the nose. Exhale longer than you inhale. Lift the crown of your head. Let your body absorb the shift. And repeat for 15 seconds. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily straight flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. All delivered daily to your email inbox. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.